Assalamu alaikum dear children.
Walaikum assalam.
Today we are going to discuss something new in the grammar.
Yes, sir.
Sana, can you read this sentence for me?
Mahatma Gandhi is father of nation.
Very good. Can you tell me in this sentence the name of person?
Sir, Mahatma Gandhi.
Very good, Raju. Can you read this sentence?
Tiger is the king of forest.
Good. So tell me the name of animal in this sentence.
Sir, tiger.
Very good. Read this sentence, Sana.
I love my city, Mumbai.
So tell me the name of place in this sentence.
Mumbai is the name of place.
Raju, read this sentence again.
I like to travel in a ship.
Can you guess the name of an object in this sentence?
Ship is the name of an object.
So dear students, you must have observed that I mark about one common thing in all sentences. Can anyone tell me what is this thing?
Sir, every naming word are common in all these sentences.
Everything in the world has name, and all names or naming words are noun. The definition of noun is the name of person, place, animal. Animal include birds and insect also, or a thing. The name of person, name of place, name of thing, name of animal are called noun. नाउन को उर्दू में कहते हैं इस्म, यानी किसी शख्स का नाम, किसी जगह का, किसी चीज का, किसी जानवर के नाम को इस्म कहते हैं. दैट इज नाउन. These names help us to identify or differentiate between people, place, animal or things. When we are talking about person, in this chart, teacher, doctor, student, chef, wizard, grandma and so on. अब यहाँ पर नेम ऑफ प्लेसेस में हम देख सकते हैं हमारे अतराफ में सराउंडिंग एरियाज में स्कूल है, चर्च, किचन, बीच एंड कैबिन.
Yes, sir. The Taj Mahal and the Red Fort is a name of place.
Yes, correct. Now we take another example of the name of things here. The wall clock, ball, chair, table, bag and bicycle. Now here animal like cat, dog, hamster, turtle and giraffe and so on. Now we are taking one more example for your test. So look at here.
Okay, sir.
Raju and his dog play a football in the garden. So tell me the name of all these things.
Raju, dog, football and garden.
Very good. My dear student, you know very well the meaning of noun. In next part, we shall study the types of noun.
Yes, sir. Every name of person, things, animals and places is called noun.
Write down some sentence in your homework book and find the noun.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Good day, sir.